Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Yogita. Friends, in this video, I'll tell you how we can deliver speech on hard work is a key to success. So what happens, sometimes we get the opportunity to deliver speech in a school assembly or in a college as a student or as a teacher. So I have created this effective content which is fully based on hard work and success. So without wasting our time, let's get started. A very cheerful morning to esteemed Principal Ma'am, a professor, well-acclaimed teachers and my dear students. I am standing here in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic. Hard work is a key to success. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dear students, life is full of twists and turns. Everyone has to struggle to get success, but you cannot achieve anything without hard work. Hard work is the significant role in winning life. Hard work is the only key to achieving whatever we want. It teaches us dedication, discipline, and determination. There is no shortcut to success. Only one's persistent efforts can turn our goals into reality. It is what we can help you achieve a better life. Moreover, the harder you work, the more confident you will become in life. An idle person can never gain anything in life if they sit and wait for a better opportunity to come. The Edison was working for 24 hours a day and sleeps only for 2 or 3 hours on the laboratory tables with his books as his pillow. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was working for 17 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Mahatma Gandhiji worked ceaselessly day and night and won freedom for country. The hard work is a price that we pay for success in life. So dear students, if you want to do excellent in your studies, you have to work hard and you have to burn the midnight oil. If you desire to be the best athlete of your school, you must run faster. And if you wish to be remembered as the best student of your school, you have to start study hard. To sum up my words, my best advice for all of you, work hard, fulfill your ambitions and do not be frightened of a failure because failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of success. Thank you. Have a nice day. So friends, this is an effective speech on hard work is a key to success. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.